Need a business loan? Let's talk Bank of America. They're a top lender with tons of options for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Think competitive rates, flexible terms, and a solid reputation. They offer term loans, lines of credit, equipment financing, and commercial real estate loans. Loan amounts? Typically $10,000 to $5 million, with repayment up to 7 years for term loans and even longer for real estate. Bank of America offers competitive interest rates, especially if you have strong credit and a well-established business. Need short-term funds? Their lines of credit start at $10,000. Plus, applying is easy with online and in-person options. They've streamlined the process for faster decisions, especially on smaller loans. Manage your application online or get personalized help. Bank of America works best for established businesses with strong financials and good credit. They'll need documentation like financial statements and tax returns. Startups might find qualifying a bit tougher. Overall, Bank of America is a solid choice for small to medium businesses needing flexible financing from a trusted bank. Need to grow? Manage daily expenses? Finance equipment or real estate? Bank of America has solutions. Check the description for links to learn more and see if Bank of America is right for you. This review has everything you need to decide.